If you want to become a data analyst, there are several essential skills you need to master. Let's dive in and check them out one by one. Being a data analyst is all about analyzing data to help make better business decisions. You will need to get good at various skills from math and programming to data handling and visualization. Let's jump in. First up, you need a solid foundation in mathematics and statistics. This is crucial because data analysis relies heavily on these principles. Focus on understanding basic concepts like mean, median, standard deviation, probability, and hypothesis testing. Spend about a month or two getting comfortable with these topics. Next, you need to get really good at Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and many companies still rely on it. Learn how to use functions, pivot tables, and charts. Spend about 2 to 3 weeks mastering Excel as it's a fundamental skill for any data analyst. After Excel, you should get comfortable with SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a simple language we use for managing and querying databases. Learn how to write queries to access, organize, and analyze data. SQL is pretty simple and you can get a decent grasp of it in about a month or two. Next, you need to get the hang of Python. It's a versatile language that's widely used in data analysis. Focus on learning the basics of Python, including libraries like Pandas and NumPy. You will also hear about R, that's another language used in data analysis. However, if you're starting out, it's best to stick with Python first and think about learning R later. Spend about a month or two getting the hang of Python. You should also learn Git. That's a version control system we use to track changes to our code and collaborate with others. Git has a ton of features, but you don't need to learn all of them. Think of it like the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, you use 20% of Git's features. So 1 to 2 weeks of practice is enough to get up and running. Focus on data collection and preparation. This means gathering data from various sources and cleaning it up so it's ready for analysis. Learn how to use Python libraries like Pandas to manipulate and clean data. Spend about a month or two on this. Once your data is clean, you need to visualize it to spot patterns and communicate results. Learn how to use Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Also, check out business intelligence tools like Tableau or Power BI. They are widely used for creating interactive and shareable dashboards. Power BI is especially cool because it's getting more popular, and since it's a Microsoft product, it works great with other Microsoft tools you might be using. Spend about a month or two on data visualization. Now, while not essential for every data analyst role, having a basic understanding of machine learning can be a plus. Machine learning involves teaching computers to make predictions based on data. If you're interested, spend a month or two learning the basics of machine learning, including Python libraries like TensorFlow and Scikit-learn. Now, as you advance, you might encounter situations where you need to work with massive datasets. That's where big data comes in. Big data is all about handling and processing huge amounts of data quickly. Tools like Hadoop and Spark are super handy for this. Spend a month or two getting familiar with these tools. So if you dedicate 3 to 5 hours every day, you can follow this roadmap and pick up all the skills you need to apply for an entry-level data analyst job in about 8 to 16 months.